Hi everyone, in this lecture I am going to show you one more very important and very frequently used command, that is ls. ls is nothing but it is used to simply listing the content of a directory. Okay, so if you want to see the content of a directory like files and subdirectories, we can use ls, which is also called as list command. So this is very similar to the dir command in Windows operating system. So if you want to see the use of it, what you need to do here is simply type ls. So this is the basic syntax of this. Okay, so now let's see, we are in simply this directory. Okay, this directory. Now I want to see what this directory contains, what is the content of this directory. So what I need to do here is simply use ls. After doing ls, simply hit enter. So after hitting enter, as you can see that, these many folders are present here. So these are the folders that are present inside this root. Okay, so this is how you can list the present subdirectories or directories inside any particular directories. So this is how we can use list command. So now guys, I'm going to tell you, suppose that we are currently working on like change it to etc. Now hit enter. So currently I'm on etc. Now if you want to see, now I'm in etc. Now I want to see what does this particular etc, this folder contains inside it. So what I need to do is simply type ls and hit enter. So after hitting enter, as you can see that we are having these many files present here inside this etc directory. Okay, so this is how we can use ls. Okay guys, so suppose that if you want to get more information about the files and directories such as their permission, ownership name, size, and when they are simply last modified, and what you need to do here is simply add ls-l. Now what it will do, it will simply give you the owner name, size, and when they were last modified, everything about the files. So when you hit enter, as you can see that we are having this separate in tabular form information present here. Okay, so we are having all of these information regarding all of these files present here. So this is how list command useful. So what it will do, it will simply list the files present inside the any directory, and the second thing is, if you want to see more information about the directories present inside any particular directory, you need to use ls with -l. Is this clear? Now I want to get back by simply cd space double dot and hit enter. Now guys, what I want to clear all of these things. So one more command that I am going to use here is clear. Okay, so it will clear whole screen. Okay, so now everything is cleared. So what I want to do here is I want to see what are the files present inside this current working directory, which is root. Now ls, hit enter. After hitting enter, as you can see, these many files are present here. Now I want to see more information, so I will add l. Now hit enter. So these are the files that are present inside here. But guys, one more important thing I want to say, that these are the files that are present here as visible to all. Suppose that if you want to see the hidden files, so what you can do here to see hidden files. So for hidden files, what you need to do here is simply use ls. Suppose that you are having one folder. Okay, if you want to see the content inside that folder, okay, what you have done, you simply use ls. So after using ls, you can see the content or the folders or directories present inside any particular directory. Okay, but if you want to see the hidden folders, hidden files, how many files are present inside the folders which are hidden? So how you can see that? Using the command line. So what you need to do here is simply type ls -l and adding a and simply hit enter. So after hitting enter, as you can see that we are having all the files present which were hidden in this case. Okay, so we are having all the files present which were hidden in that particular case. Now I want to move to cd etc. Now I want to see hidden files present inside this. So okay, sorry, let me do it again with the A and hit enter. After hitting enter, you can see that we are having these many files present inside this particular directory, and it contains all the hidden and visible files present inside this particular directory. So this is how you can use listing command. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to summarize this lecture, so what I will say, if you want to see folders inside the folders, you can use ls command. If you want to see more information about the folders present inside any particular folder, you can use ls-l. If you want to see hidden folders present inside any folder, simply use ls-la. So this will show you all the hidden files, all the visible files present at any particular folder. So this is all for this lecture, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something from this particular lecture, and thank you for watching this lecture. Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to learn one more very important command, that is getting help. Okay, so nearly every command an application, or we can say utility, has a dedicated help file in Linux. So that simply provide the guidance for how to use it. So for instance, if I needed help using the best wireless tool like AirCrack-ng, so I could simply type aircrack, okay, spelling is correct, ng. And if I want help, so what I need to do here is simply use double hyphen with the word help. Okay, with the word help. So after hitting enter, as you can see that this is the description. When you scroll it up, this is the basic description you will find here after typing this particular command, which is aircrack double hyphen help. So what is the significance of using double hyphen L? Okay guys, so let me clear it first. Okay guys, suppose that this is the tool name air, and now I want to use, like I just want to use with a simple with a single hyphen and help. So what we have here is, in the convention in Linux, it is to use a double dash before word option, and we can use single dash with a single letter option. So are you getting it? If not, so let me explain it. Suppose that you're using, this is, as we all know that help is a word. So what we need to use here is, as per the convention of Linux, we need to use double hyphen. Okay. Now suppose that if you're using only single word, which is help, h. So as per the convention, you need to use only single hyphen. Is this clear, guys? You can use double hyphen help. In case of word, we need to use double hyphen. You should use single hyphen in case of a single word. Is this clear? Now guys, so when you enter simply command, you should see a short description, like let me do it again. You can see the short description of the tool and guidance on how to use it. So in some cases you can use simply again let me clear it. So you can use hyphen h, or you can also use hyphen question mark for getting help. Okay, suppose that I want to check the description to how to use nmap. So what I can do now, let's try with hyphen h. Now hit enter. So after hit enter, as you can see that I'm having this description to how to use nmap. Okay, so now let's try with our older one, which is okay, nmap double hyphen help, and hit enter. So I'm getting the same result. Now let's try with our new one, which is nmap hyphen this. Now this is not working here. So unfortunately, although many applications supports all three options like this, These all are the three options. With the help of them, you can see the help description of any particular tool. But there is no guarantee the application you are using will or not. So if one option doesn't work, then simply try next one or another one. So in this particular case, in case of Nmap, these two are working, but this is not working. So this is how you can play with all of these. Okay. So this is how you can get help from the file that is present inside any particular tool using this command, which is -help -h Okay guys, so this is all for this lecture. From the next lecture onwards, we are going to see some very advanced, or we can say intermediate commands we can use inside the Linux operating system. So thank you for watching this lecture guys.